show you some piecewise function, and also we are going to see how to solve a problem in a piecewise function. So first let's go and write a piecewise function. F of x is equal to, and here we have a function that is 4x plus 5 and 3x minus 8, and the condition given for the first function is when x is less than 2, and the condition given for the second function is x is greater than or equal to 2. Now let's say there are some question asked, find out f of minus 2, f of 2, and then f of 5. Now first one is f of negative 2. F of negative 2 comes under when x is less than 2, because negative 2 is between, if the x is less than 2, that's where the negative 2 is going to be. If you look at the next one, that is greater than 2 or equal to 2, so negative 2 is not going to be there. So the first function satisfies negative 2, so we had to use this equation right here. So we had to use f of minus 2 is equal to 4x plus 5, that equation. Actually, first write f of x here. F of x is equal to 4x plus 5, then f of minus 2 is going to be 4 times minus 2 plus 5, that is negative 8 plus 5, that's equal to negative 3. So the first answer for the f of minus 2 is negative 3. Now let's look at the second one. I use a different color for it. Okay, f of 2. You have to look at f of 2 satisfy which condition? Is 2 less than 2? No. So this one doesn't come. And is 2 greater than or equal to 2? Yes, because it's not greater than 2, but it comes under equal to 2. So this is the function that works for it. So this is the function we have to use. So we are going to use f of x is equal to 3x minus 8. And we substitute 2 for x values. F of 2, that's going to be 3 times 2 minus 8, that is 6 minus 8, that's equal to negative 2. Okay, now let's look at another problem. Let's say here the next one we have to find is f of 5. Again, is 5 less than 2? No, so this equation we don't use. Is 5 greater than or equal to 2? Yes, it's greater than 2, so it comes under this equation. So we had to use f of x is equal to 3x minus 8, and we substitute 5 for x values. F of 5 is equal to 3 times 5 minus 8. 3 times 5 is 15 minus 8, that's gonna give us 7. So these are the answers. F of minus 2 is negative 3, f of 2 is negative 2, and then f of 5 is 7. Now let's look at another piecewise function. I'm going to erase everything. So let's look at an example. Let's say we have a piecewise function given like this. F of x is equal to, let's say we have 4 functions provided. One is x square plus 3x minus 7, and the condition given for this one is when x is less than negative 1. And let's look at another one. Let's say we have another one that is 5x plus 6. The condition given for it is negative 1 less than or equal to x is less than or equal to negative 1. No, x is actually greater than or equal to negative 1, and then x is less than 2. Okay, Yeah, this is second function. Let's look at the third one. X cube plus 4, x is greater than 2. And the last one is 12. This comes under like when x is equal to 2. Okay, so these are the 4 functions they have given. Now what we have to do is we have to find certain values. Let's ask this question. Let's say they ask us to find f of minus 4, and also we want to find f of 0, and also we want to find f of 2, and also we want to find f of 3. Okay, now let's start with f of minus 4. So when f of minus 4, you have to ask is minus 4 less than negative 1? Yes. And if you look at the other things, like this x is between negative 1 and 2, so there's no minus 4. And this one, this x is greater than 2, so there's no minus 4. And this x is 2. So the only condition the minus 4 comes is when x is less than negative 1. So this is the equation we are going to use. So f of x is equal to x squared plus 3x minus 7, and here we are going to substitute minus for the x values. That is f of minus 4 is equal to minus 4 square plus 3 times minus 4 minus 7. Minus 4 square is 16, and then 3 times minus 4 is negative 12 minus 7. So this negative 12, negative 7, that's negative 19. 16 minus 19, that is negative 3. So the answer for the first one is negative 3. Now let's look at the second one. Second one is asking us to find the f of 0. Now we have to look at in which condition the 0 comes. Is 0 less than negative 1? No. So it doesn't come under here. Is 0 in between negative 1 and 2? Yes. So it comes under this one. And if you look at the other one, that is 0 greater than 2? No. Is 0 equal to 2? No. So it comes under this category. In that one, the function is 5x plus 6. So f of x is 5x plus 6. And instead of x, we substitute 0. So this is going to be f of 0 is equal to 5 times 0 plus 6. 5 times 0 is 0 plus 6, that's 6. So the answer for the second one is 6. And let's look at the third one, that is f of 2. Again, we have to ask the question, is 2 less than negative 1? Is 2 in between negative 1 and negative 1 and 2? Like here they say x is less than 2, it's not equal to, less than or equal to 2. And here is x greater than 2, and here we have x is equal to 2. So this is only condition that's going to apply to this equation, because we are looking at f of 2, and when x is equal to 2, the answer is 12. So they already have, this is a direct answer, they already have a value for x when x is equal to 2, that is 12. So we have to just put it right there, and that's going to be the answer for f of 2. Now let's look at f of 3. I'm going to use a different color for it. F of 3, we have to ask, is 3 less than negative 1? No. Is 3 comes between negative 1 and 2? No. Is 3 greater than 2? Yes. 3 is greater than 2. And is 3 equal to 2? No. So it doesn't come under here. So 3 is greater than 2, therefore we have to apply this equation, that is f of x is equal to x cubed plus 4. And let's substitute the value 3. We have to substitute 3 instead of x, 3, and then here we have 3 cubed plus 4. 3 cubed is 27 plus 4, that's going to give us 31. Now we have found out the answer. So this is 31. So when f of minus 4 is negative 3, f of 0 is 6, f of 2 is 12, f of 3 is 31. And that's it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching. See you guys on my next video.